Previously on Sailing Aquarius, more dancing,
Look at the
more
birthday
celebrating,
man.
and a regatta. Although we were not the first, but we were not definitely the last ones. And what is the most important, we did finish the rally without turning on the engine. Orange boat in front of us is a committee boat where the race ends. We arrived to beautiful Moorea, Cook's Bay, and we have full day of activities. But first, we have to find a parking in the super busy parking lot. First, in fun activities, is traditional Polynesian canoe race, where Ken and four other guys and a gal put a naughty twist on naming team. As this is Pacific Puddle Jumpers organized event, they call their team Pacific Puddle Jumpers, probably with intention to intimidate the competition. And first race they won, where the second they got the worst canoe and ended up third. But great group dance classes and other fun activities washed away the losses very quickly.
Hola!
Hola, look at this. Maruru.
Thank you very much.
Go, Ken, go, Ken, go, Ken, go.
Do you know that Ken's birthday? It's his birthday.
Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Ken. Happy birthday to Ken. Happy birthday, dear Ken. Happy birthday to you. Say on it, all right.
After busy Tahiti, this place was so nice and chill. We heard it from so many sailors and agree with that ourselves that Moorea is probably nicest island in Society Islands. Spectacular mountains, beautiful beaches, relaxing atmosphere. There are few pricey hotels, but the whole island is clean and feels upscale. We liked it a lot and spent there quite a while. Since I was still recovering after my illness, Ken was the only one to go for whale watching tour, and he was so lucky to see a beautiful whale family. That was absolutely breathtaking. But on the way back, the whales thought they didn't show enough what they can, so they kept jumping out of the water over and over and over countless times. So cool!
No fish.
Sorry, no fish. Don't be angry about it. No fish. Okay.
Well, that's a fancy feast you got going on over there.
Ooh, yes. Maybe we should have put the big dinghy in the middle. Yeah, it would be like.
Well, you did. Oh. That way, when I get too drunk, I'm tired.
She is, we ride on the wind that our forefathers harnessed before us. Hear the bells ring as the tide ring sings. It's the son of a gun of a chorus.
Well, she moved down here at the age 18. She blew the boys away as more than they'd seen. I was introduced and we both started grooving. Said I dig you, baby, but I got to keep moving on. I keep moving on. Let's dance with Mary Jane one more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping in and I'm tired of this town again.
Next on Sailing Aquarius, we ran into some dangerous creatures, explore the last human sacrifice place, and, well, you will have to wait and watch. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
Where it all ends, I can't fathom, my friends. If I knew, I'd toss out my anchor.